Tinmates and Tin Talkers, and welcome to another edition of my vlog here in YouTube, ChristineBabao's channel. Thank you to all my subscribers, and to those who just visited my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Well, this vlog is a very special one because, as you know, all of you love anything and everything about bags. So please welcome here in my channel, Vicki Belo.
Hi,
Vicki.
Nice to meet you. Hi, everybody.
And we have another special guest. Can you guess who? She is hiding behind this bag.
And she speaks with a British accent.
Let us
Ready?
welcome.
1, 2, guess please. 2, 3, Papa. Papa.
So, little lady, what is your name?
Scarlett is going to help us rate my bag,
Yeah,
right?
we're going to do bag raid. But before the bag raid of Mommy, did you know, Vicki, that the very first Chanel bag I ever had was from you?
Wow, that's a long time ago.
It's a long time. See how I take care of the bag?
Yeah,
So my very first ever Chanel came from Vicki. It was a birthday gift from Vicki.
Yay.
So look at this.
And you,
So
Scarlett.
it's vintage now. From
Yes,
the
it's
1990s.
It's more expensive because it's vintage,
So
right?
thank you, Vicki, for
You're
my
so
very
welcome.
first Chanel. Tell us about this bag, Vicki. This is an Hermes. What's the size?
So this is a 35,
35.
and this is one of my favorite Birkins because it has a beautiful floral color, right? What color is it, right? What? Fuchsia. Yes, it's a
Fuchsia.
very dark pink, and I really like bright neon light colors. So this is one of my favorite bags, and I also like the hardware because it's gold. So most people, you know, palladium or gold. I'm a gold girl, so I always try to look. It's a lot harder to look for gold hardware. We call this hardware, babe.
So how many years has it been with you?
Oh, it's been with me a really long time.
Like a decade
Yes,
or?
siguro 7 years.
7
you know.
years.
It's new bag,
But
my bags are usually
You
covered
take
carefully.
Yeah.
No, it's not particularly, but it's usually got water marks. But I always have it fixed.
Yes.
I bought it in Paris because it's so much cheaper. Yes, Scarlett. In Paris, it's about 100,000 pesos cheaper than here.
because
But the Philippines is one of the most reasonable stores in the world.
yeah.
Compared to, like, you know, other countries. Like the States, it's so expensive.
Yeah.
Much more expensive than here.
Yeah, but you know, this is an investment piece. I personally believe that when you have an Hermes, it's an investment piece. You can hand it down and, you know, from
Yeah,
generation
you don't really
to
own an
generation.
Hermes. You
Yeah.
only keep it for the next
Yeah.
generation. Max, protect you.
So, Scarlett, this belongs to you already.
Okay,
Can you now? Can you now raid Mommy's bag? Can you show what's inside?
Okay.
I want to see. I want to see.
Let's go.
Yeah. Do you know what's inside?
Okay, show everyone.
Show and tell. Show and tell.
I'm gonna blow something so I can
Blow. Blow. Abracadabra. Why does Mommy carry that? Because I'm honest with you.
I'm always, because she's always with me, and she likes looking at me in the Belo baby weather wipe.
Yes, look, because it has Scarlett's picture in the baby wipe. So when I need a wipe, it's also so nice to open it and see that her face is there. You're only 1.5 when that happened. You still had your upside down crown, right? Yes, and Scarlett also always has.
So it's a
that's-
must for every mom.
We're bonding, yes, it's
Yeah.
a must for every mom.
It's a mommy bag too,
And the
right?
kids like to use it because they know Scarlett.
Okay. What else? What else? Where's your bag? Where's the
Something
bag?
out. I mean, like, pick something up.
I see
Da-da-da-da.
something.
What did you see?
Ooh.
Oh, what's that for, naman?
Now this one is to make you
Hand sanitizer.
hand sanitizer, so your hands has no germ.
Yes.
I think I need-
Do you want to help? Keep it there.
I think I
Can you
need
please
some.
spray some on her hand because
Yeah.
it's hard to spray. Let me try. Can you help me? Can you put your finger on top of my finger? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Hand sanitizer.
Smells
Can
good
you give
too.
it to her already? So she'll
Can I
have
just have
remembrance of
it
you.
inside my bag?
Yes,
Thank you,
she needs it. She saw
Scarlett.
her hand sanitizer.
Thank you.
Okay, take
What
something
else
else
is in the
out.
bag?
I can't see.
There's plenty of space here.
Oh, it's there. It's a
Show,
big
show, show,
bag.
show.
You know
Can
why?
you,
The
like,
reason
get
this
it?
bag is good is because
Yeah.
it's
Spacious.
these things don't fall out.
Oh yeah.
Because it's very
I
deep.
can't see anything
And this is your
This
favorite,
is
all-time
Mama's
favorite?
wallet.
There. There
You
you
know how to take,
go.
yes.
So this is a thick wallet.
Yes.
So does
So
it have
I'm
more
very-
cash or?
I'm very insecure. Since I was young, I always have to have
Cash.
cash.
So
And so when I travel, everybody says, why do you have cash? Because
Yeah.
everybody has a credit card.
credit
I also
card.
have a credit card, but sometimes when you're abroad, your card won't work for some weird reason. So
Happens.
it's wrong time, then you try to call Manila, and then it's 3 in the morning, nobody answers. So I'm one of those
You're more
people.
secure when you have
And
cash.
mommy, what's this? This is my comfort cross.
Oh.
Oh yes.
What's the story behind this cross? I
Comfort
mean,
cross is, well, of course, we're Christians, and I always pray. And sometimes I get it's nice to hold it. It's
where'd you
you
get
can
it?
put
Who
it in
gave it
your
to you?
hand.
Or what's the
Yeah,
story?
Aiden gave it to me from
Yeah.
Jerusalem.
Let's
So
pause it.
and it
for the
fits
camera.
right on the palm of the hand.
Yes.
Well, not your palm because you're too small. But see, when I pray in the car,
Mom is there.
this is the palm, yes. And then I hold it, so it fits perfectly. And then when I pray, I feel closer to Jesus, right?
Oh.
Okay, look
Look
again.
at the shine.
What else?
Look again, look again.
Oh,
That's a huge bag. There are a lot of things inside.
What's that?
Ooh. What is it? Is it makeup or
No,
something?
don't look. It's a surprise.
This is my tinted sunblock. So it
Ah,
serves like a
no, don't
base.
tell.
It's a secret. I'm so sorry.
So how do you use it, Scarlett? Can you
Oh,
teach me?
it's something.
I want tinted sunblock.
Something white.
Because you know what, I have one, but it's really huge and it's for the body.
Yeah,
But is
this
that for
one
the
is for the
face?
face.
Oh, I
If you,
want to
it's
try.
like a base for makeup, and if you have nice skin, I keep it
Oh,
in.
you have to guess.
I already
Okay, you
guessed it's for
press.
the
Ah, yeah, yeah,
face,
what
and it's
happened?
called
It's
tinted.
for
Oh,
the-
never mind. It's just a cover.
Wait,
Where is it? I will get it later.
Okay.
Forget me.
Okay, come on.
Okay, next.
Oh, you
Next,
have
next,
to
next.
guess
Come on, here,
it.
here.
Oh, you know what?
Here, Scarlett, some more.
It's summer, and we all get sweaty and need
And
something.
then, sunblock.
Hey.
What's the sunblock naman?
That's
That's
a
a
sunblock.
sunblock you have to put
What
out.
is this? What is
It's not embarrassed
this?
to say, but it's so hot. That's
Yeah.
you say that's a deodorant,
No.
antiperspirant. It's a
What
bomb.
is it for?
You raise your armpit, baby. I'll show you how. Like this, and then you make like that, you roll.
Will that make my kilikili maputi?
And it will make your kilikili maputi as well, because most of the others, deodorants have aluminum chloride or tawas.
Yeah.
Aluminum, when
Yeah.
it rusts, diba? Yung
Yeah.
mga
Why do
cooking
you have to
pans
guess?
natin.
Yeah.
So if you
You have
mix
to guess.
perspiration,
Free.
aluminum chloride, your armpits will get darker sometimes. So
What
we
about the
have
calamansi?
whitening
Because so
ingredient.
many people,
Okay. Calamansi
Yeah.
is a double-edged sword. It can, in some people, make it a little whiter because it's citric
So,
acid. And it's like kind of an alpha hydroxy
It's
acid, so
not hot.
it peels. It is hot. It peels off, but citric acid is also an acid, so it can burn. So if you're like overzealous or you're sensitive, you'll have darker armpits. So if I were you, I wouldn't use it. Just get lang po the Belo Dio and antiperspirant because this one has whitening ingredients and they're from France. France.
France. Can I try that also?
Oh, you can
Scarlett? Because I want that white and kilikili.
Okay, I can tell you
Thank you. Let's just put it
Okay,
here
let's just get
first.
two more things here. Okay,
I
what?
see two more.
This one.
Ooh.
Mommy always has a fan. Oh, that's not the way to open, baby.
Hey, can you open it
Yes.
talagang Filipina style? Like that, oh, you cover your face. Cover your face and just show your eyes. Show your eyes.
You have to
Oh,
open it.
open,
Sure.
open the fan. Yes.
Yes,
And then just, oh, how, sorry. Oh, okay.
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 And then you cover. You look at
And then, teach me.
And then
What do I use
she's
here?
covering her eyes. And her fan is purple also.
And then look.
You show the name Bello. There's a Bello
Show,
name
show, show, show.
there.
Where's the bell?
Where's the bell
It's a
name?
personalized fan.
And the Bello name.
Is over.
Oh, okay. There's a bell name. It's
See?
made for you.
Yeah. So
Oh, nice.
because it's so warm and
The
cute.
Lala Filipina.
Okay,
Thank
what
you.
else?
Try this one out.
This one.
Cute. It's a painting.
Here.
What is, oh, eye drops. Are these
Eye drops, yes.
What for?
Eye drops,
You
you
have
have
for
for contacts.
dry, for contacts.
Okay, here's eye drop.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And
That's your
the most important is
Now it's cologne.
because I like to smell Scarlet from the
Smells
sun.
good, and but don't forget the eye drop.
Oh.
Yay,
So now I have complete cologne and then hand sanitizer. There and eye drops are not for me. Those are for you.
Yeah,
Because I'm
that
not
one's
wearing
for Mama's
contacts.
eyes. You can't.
I don't
mix
have
it.
contacts.
Yeah, she
Not
doesn't have
yet.
contacts.
But I do wear
Right.
glasses.
Yeah, we're trying to pretend we don't need glasses. We
Yeah.
have contacts, right? Right. So you said,
Can you also tell us how to take care of luxury bags so that they last
Ako?
longer or
Ako pa talaga. Okay. Now,
personally.
one thing that I had to learn the hard way is in my closet upstairs. It's an
Yeah.
afternoon sun.
Oh.
So
Oh my
I
gosh.
let the heat of the sun go into my bags. First of all, if you're leather, you don't. Everybody puts a cover thing.
True, di ba it
You
comes with
shouldn't really the dust bag. In a way, it protects from the
Mommy,
dust.
Yeah,
what if
but-
I make this one massage the horses upstairs?
The horses? Okay, you can bring it to massage the horses upstairs. Kung ano-ano lang laruan nito. Wala kaming budget to buy toys. Anyway, so
Anyway,
this,
going
it
back.
reaches the leather sometimes.
Mommy, can I just go upstairs?
Yes, right. Thank you
Thank you,
for
Scarlett, for your
helping,
time because we're still gonna give away some Bello stuff for our
Yes, and your
subscribers.
butterflies. Bye, baby.
Thank you so much. Remember, Dalagang Pilipina. Dalagang Pilipina.
Bulaga.
Pilipina.
Bulaga.
There you have it, girls. I hope you enjoyed the first part of our Vicky Bello bag raid. But wait, there is more. So you better stay tuned and watch out for part 2 of this bag vlog. Because up next, we're going to show you the special Kelly bag that Vicky designed herself. And at the end of part 2 of our bag raid, she will also be asking questions for our lucky subscribers, and you'll get to win Bello gift certificates, so watch out for that too. And get Bello-fied for free just by watching my vlogs. So bye for now, girls, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Don't miss it. And stay Bello beautiful.